So we made it to Indy.
Oh yeah.
Thanks to Advanced Auto Parts.
Damn right.
And go check out our video.
Oh yeah, we're out. We're gonna go party.
I need to get out. I need to do a photo. Perfect. This is great right here. This is great social media. I can do a photo, perfect for Facebook and everything. Let me just stop. I thought that would be.
All right, Mike. Ready? Okay.
You got it?
Yeah. We're here. Woo! There you go. Cool.
So there's no sitting out. No. Nothing.
Hey, pull over. Out here.
So just that place? Yeah, the vodka cream monster.
Yeah. Well, we got this.
Yeah, like,
We got to do that.
I mean, it looks kind of like Richard. Wait, this top?
Good check.
Hi, Tony. So we made it to the world famous Monster Mart. One stop down.
In Falk, Arkansas?
Falk. Yeah.
Falk? Something like that.
Something like that. Falk, Arkansas.
Yeah.
But, all right, pretty cool. If you get a chance to make it here, you need to check this place out. You guys are super nice.
Yeah.
Pretty cool history, cool movie back in the day, so get here and check it out. But as far as us, we gotta go.
Yep.
Later.
How was it?
What's up? What do you mean, how was it?
Ready to go? I'm already showered up. Got a good
What do you
night's
mean you're
sleep in
showered
bed.
up?
Oh, dude, I slept in the cabin across the way.
They got a cabin?
Wait,
Yeah.
they have those?
Yeah.
How'd you get a cabin?
I got lucky. Y'all did great.
So you slept good.
Yep.
Nice.
Let's pack it up. Let's go. Maybe, I think there's a shower over there. Or there's a water hose. You can use the water hose. You'll be good.
Dibs on the shower.
Water hose.
Water hose. Well, here, I shouldn't be doing this drive. You handle that. You know the coolest thing about this van?
No. Gotta be the horn. Gotta be the horn. It's up to you. I just want to.
Guess where we're at?
Where?
Memphis.
How'd you get that hat? We just got here.
Memphis? I've always had it.
You want to say hi to Social? You want to admit that they're going down?
Until you're done eating that burger, put that away.
been Jason Aldean's place?
It's pretty messy.
It's kind of messed up.
We're gonna have to get in. We're gonna have to go.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go pretty soon. It's overheating. It's overheating. We're gonna have to go pretty soon.
Look at that one.
That one's the
That
bad
one's got alligator on it.
I would definitely, but it works on you. It does. Okay.
I'll take this one.
Okay,
No, we're good.
it's pretty cool.
You like this one? Can I pull this off?
You can.
All right.
And this will break in.
It will.
Size-wise. Okay.
Let's roll.
Let's do this.
Go find a beer.
How's it going? We're having some overheating issues.
Yeah, I got some 2 gallons of 50/50 antifreeze, thermostat, and gasket right here, ready to go.
Awesome.
And also got this sealer for you too.
Nice thing about making a phone call.
That's right. Anything else I can get for you fellas today?
Yep, we didn't bring tools.
I've got tools for you. I'll go get those for you, and then I'll get you rung out.
All right, sounds good. I think that'll do it.
I hope so.
So let's get back on the road because we're running behind now. Did you want to stop at all those cool places?
Right, we didn't stop anywhere, but Mike ended up with a cowboy hat.
Got it?
So
I got a hat at the convenience store and the looks of it.
I think you may be the first one to your voice.
It's looking pretty good.
I'm hoping so.
We are here.
The van's home.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, look. It says it.
Racing capital of the world.
I think we made it. Oh, finally. Woohoo! I'm ready to get out of this van.
So here we are, we made it. Time to go have some fun, get the hell out, drink some beer, go watch a race.